Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking to you about week one material. So, first thing I want to remind you is that you should have already done your intro material, which includes your syllabus, and you should be reading chapter one from the Potter text, which is titled Disrupting Criminology. Finally, you should be watching Ashley Rubin's TED Talk. So, fun fact about that. Ashley Rubin was just hired by the sociology department at Manoa and will be a tenure-track professor starting in fall 2019. So if you enjoyed her TED Talk, be sure to check out a class with her in the next coming school year. So I did type up a little bio about myself for the intro discussion board post, but in case you're an audio learner, I'll just let you know a little bit about me. So my name's Hannah. I'm your course instructor. I did my bachelor degree at Ohio State University, and I'm from that area. I did my master's at West Virginia University, which is where I started teaching classes and really fell in love with teaching sociology and women's studies. And I came to Manoa to do my PhD with Nita Chesney Lynn, who you'll be exposed to some of her work in this class this semester. My dissertation is on Title IX policy. I'm doing a case study here at Manoa, looking qualitatively at how that particular policy impacts the everyday lives of real people. A fun fact about me is that I started my academic career at community college in Central Ohio, which is where I'm from, and I think that's probably similar to at least some folks in the class. I know that there's a lot of transferring amongst the different system campuses. All right, so that's a little bit about me. I chose the text by Hilary Potter because it is a little bit different than your average survey of criminology textbook. It takes an intersectional approach to issues related to the field of criminology. That means, when we say intersectional, that means that you're looking at race, class, gender, sexual orientation, gender identity, all aspects of individual identities, and the way in which these identities impact criminology, but more importantly, the systemic social institutions that are impacting criminology. So things like the criminal system, things like education, or the school to prison pipeline, as some folks would say. And so what are the power dynamics in place in these social institutions? How are certain groups, certain minority groups, disenfranchised by these social institutions? And what does that mean for criminology? And so you will learn about the stereotypical, quintessential criminology things, theories, ideas, topics, but we'll also be taking an intersectional approach to these different topics and ideas throughout the semester. One of the reasons why I decided to use Ashley Rubin's TED Talk is that she is talking about prison abolitionism in a historical way, which I think is a little bit different than other, perhaps more radical or more famous prison abolitionists such as Angela Davis, which we will get to later on in our 6-week session. But that's kind of an overview of what we'll be covering in week one. If you have any questions, don't forget to email me at hannahli@hawaii.edu, and I look forward to seeing your quiz and discussion board assignments. Have a good week, guys.